bath. They're treating us well. They fatten us up before they slaughter us.
So where we are going is just the place where they had their last bath. Last bath because from here, they never had any bath before they were sent outside. That is why they said the last bath. So we all go to the place and see there are the confluence of the river and how they were able to bath while the river was moving. You know, it's not as there are two rivers that comes together. So we will see the confluence and then we will see the other one, the one that they bath and the others over there.
Ago!
Amen.
Ago!
Amen.
I'm very happy you have come to this place. Serene as this place may appear, it wasn't so 5 centuries ago. It wasn't like that. But now we have freedom. And from the portraits, you have seen that the emancipation really took place. But physically, my brother has told you, neo-colonialism. Our minds are tied. So many atrocities are still going on. Even perhaps if you don't take care, you say that it's even worse. We are now even pursuing them. They come and then deceive us, and then we pursue them. Go there for what? $150 a month and work for 15 hours. Cheap labor. As my brother was telling you, you are going to the market. At the market, that was where, after working 8 good weeks or 6 good weeks without any proper bath, and then very small food, just to sustain you, not to keep you strong. If you come strong, you struggle with the raiders. So when you come, and they were very, very clever indeed. They took the shallow waters because they know that when it comes to broad water, survival of the fittest, they'll swim. So they won't allow it. So when you go there, you see the very small river. That is what we call the slave river. The slave was there during the trans-Saharan trade, before even the chattel trade. That small river takes itself from the town here. It's called Slave River, Nonkosu. Slave River. Donko means slave. The plural means Nonko. That's why I call it Nonkosu. So the small one is the Nonkosu, and then the wide one is the Ochi River, our main source of drinking water. It enters itself into the sea at Mankasim. When you show Mankasim, engine filling station, you see people washing there. That's the river here. Ours flows into it. You see the confluence over there. And then you see some bamboo grooves. Those bamboo grooves were used as tents, shed. When they bring the captives, they'll make shed for them to relax there and wait for the merchant. Walking 36 miles, 58 kilometers from Cape Coast to this place and go back within 24 hours because they didn't want to be disturbed. Yes, they made sure that they were not disturbed by the raiders and they were not disturbed by wild animals. See? They were thinking about themselves, but not us. And you see, they came and prompted our own brothers and sisters with gun and gunpowder to go in. What was their reward? Gin and tobacco. It has no relevance now. There will be a time that people will come and blame us too that there's no relevance for dollar, but they are still spoiling our drinking water. They are taking our minerals away. After taking our minerals away, and they give us a 10%, then they say there is IMF. Come follow. So please, where you are standing here 5 centuries ago, this place was in existence. But now you are walking here freely. They were walking here in chains with whips behind them. We are going to the market where they were exchanged for tobacco and gin. And after they have been auctioned for gin and tobacco, they were branded. Each merchant according to his own symbol. Thank you. We are going there. If I'm a teacher, so if I'm going very fast, you just do this. I will know that I'm going too fast.
Let's speak faster than you, so let's go. Please, be careful. The first one, there is a step down.
Let the chains forever be broken.
Watch your step.
So watch your step. Hold on.
Hey, this is our source of fuel. This is somebody will come here and use it for fuel.
Yeah. It's a very good source.
Alright, Boman, you learn about the history and the culture of what happened to the ancestors, so you can be empowered. Excellent.
Bomani is
Junior
just enjoying
Bomani.
himself, and I love that. I like this guy. Yeah.
Oh no, wild animals.
We must remember our own. Yeah, we bring them.